Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that NYC token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website NYC, the digital heartbeat of New York City, join the community building the future of decentralized finance in the city that never sleeps. Not affiliated with the city of New York or any government agency. NYC represents the unstoppable energy of the Big Apple. NYC represents the unstoppable energy bold for dreamers, innovators, and believers who understand that in New York anything is possible. In New York, anything is possible. This is more than a token, it's a movement. NYC token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supplies around 80 million NYC token. NYC token is listed on xt.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.